I will try to my best to fix and maybe restore a little bit this Trackmaster Thomas. It's gonna need some cleaning, paint, polishing, a new battery contact, maybe something else. Okay, it looks like this model engine is in need of a lot of fix and repair, so I'm gonna try to do my best. Okay, let's begin with the test. So that's the name of the subscriber, Sammy. See that little crack over there? We need a new wheel. Alright Sammy, we are done with your model engine. I hope you like it, enjoy it. I did put a little bit of white paint on the running board because you were trying to do that. So, and I did put some paint on the roof, and that's ready to go. Here is another model engine sent from Sammy, and it's Percy. And the notes here it says Percy makes loud noises and the eyes are gone. So he's just asking to fix the eyes and the noisy problem. Let's hear it. Is it loud? Now if you notice this is a little loose, and that's the reason why the wheel does not engage. So I think it's missing a screw right over here, and we're gonna fix that and do the eyes. Or maybe I have a spare one and I'll just put it on. I'll see. Okay. And it's missing the coupler. One of the main problems about the noise could be this gear located in the electric motor. It could be one of the tooths, it's maybe wide open right somewhere, or it could be the dirt. So we're gonna try to clean the gears first. If the cleaning doesn't work, then should be the this gear right here. All right. Let's see if we can do something about this. So you forgot to put the nut right in here. I'm gonna fix this. But it's fixed now, and it has some grease on the gears and a little touch up, and I fixed the eyes. Alright, Hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.